Pinoy Bics.
Welcome to Pinoy Bics. The problem for today is from PE Board Exam, March 1998. The problem states that how many 6-number combinations can be generated from the numbers from 1 to 42 inclusive without repetition and with no regards to the order of the numbers. So the keyword is we have 6 numbers combination and numbers from 1 to 42 without repetition and with no regards to the order of the numbers. Dito sa ating keywords na yan, with no regard to the order of the number, so ibig sabihin, so ang principle na applicable sa ating problem sa ngayon ay yung ating walang definite na sequence or orders. So first, let us assign values for n. So let n is equivalent to total number of combination. So we have n, so equivalent to the formula for the combination. So we have n combination r. Yung n natin dito, yung total number of elements involved. And the r is the kung ilan yung ating how many number combination. This is equivalent to, yung n natin is 42. Combination, 6 numbers, so we have 6. So therefore, so this is equivalent to 42 factorial. So divided by 42 minus 6. Okay, quantity factorial. So multiply to 6 factorial. This is equal to 42 factorial. So divided by 42 minus 6, so we have 36 factorial. Then multiply to 6 factorial. This is equivalent to using your calculator. So hindi ko na papakita yung write-up kasi masyadong malaki. So check nyo na lang. So this is equivalent to 5,245,786 combination. Okay, that is the total number of combinations. So masyadong madami. So ulitin lang natin yung ating mga keyword. So bago natin gamitin yung formula ng combination. So kinakailangan walang definite order or sequence. So kapag walang definite orders or sequence or arrangement, so ang gagamitin nating formula ay combination. So, huwag kalilimutan, so mag-subscribe sa akin channel, okay? Pinoy Bics Engineering. So to follow my upcoming videos regarding this type of problems. So again, thank you.
Pinoy Bics.